Okay, so we're gonna start, well, first this is a little bear that I put there, and don't mind with the TV's on, because I need to get her a TV stand, but I'm using that for right now. And this right here, this is a DIY that I did. I got a box from Dollar General and I just painted it and put glitter on it, and then I put a little flower on it. And this one, these little containers I got from the dollar store. I painted them white. Some of them aren't painted really white. I only did one coat, but that's okay because I just ended up putting flowers on them. And it was for her to put her little nail polish and her lip glosses and her face mask. And I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's a little unicorn. My daughter loves unicorns. So I painted it white, and then I put silver, and I put like a metallic glitter on it too. And then I just put it on her wall. Okay, and this is just her sunglasses and some antibacterial. I just put them in this bucket, and I put a little bunny that I had on there. I glued that on. And this right here is a little DIY that I did. I got that jar from the Dollar Tree. I painted it white, and I put a ribbon and a little bunny on it, and then I added a flower, but she has her pins in there, as you can see. And then this was a little calendar she got from her grandma, and it was just brown, so I just ended up putting a ribbon around it and put a flower on it. Okay, I'm gonna move up here. This is a DIY that I did. I had a what are those things called? I had a canvas that I had gotten from Michael's, and I just put some Mod Podge on it, and then over top of that I put glitter, and I put sequins on it, and then I painted some butterflies and just glued them on. So that's my little DIY that I did. And here's another DIY that I did. It was a Dollar Tree picture, and I just added some flowers. I added a big flower, and then I added small flowers, and then I added some pearls to the middle of the flowers. So that was the most recent DIY that I did. And this is her little artwork that she got from her grandparents. It says, "Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, more than you know, loved more than you know." Okay, and this is another DIY that I did. It's a little crate, and then I just put a flower. I glued a flower on it. Just put her doll stuff in there. Those are her two little dolls. This pillow is a pillow that I did a DIY on, and I just covered it in a pretty pink fabric that I got from Walmart. And that's it. I didn't glue it down. I need to glue it down, but that's basically all I did. And I just wanted something for the dolls to sit on. And if you go to where the arts and crafts at the not the dollar store, Walmart, if you go to the arts and crafts at Walmart, they have different little fabric, and it was $3.97, and I still have a lot more left. So I thought that was a really good steal. I just put a rug underneath her shoes, and I put another rug here. And this was another little DIY. I thought the blanket was going to be longer. I wanted her to have like a different type of pillow, so I just put a soft little blanket over this pillow. And it doesn't cover the back of the pillow, but that's fine. But it covers the front. And I just figured that I can get another little throw, because that's what this is. It's a little throw. I can get another one to put there and then glue it on, so that way to be more secure. But I'm using this for now, and I thought it was really pretty. She has a little pillow underneath and her little unicorn. Get that trash. And I just put a really pretty throw. She loves unicorns, so I just thought that would be nice to add. I put a rug down there, and up here, all I did was I had a Dollar Tree vase, and then I just glued some ribbon, and then I put a butterfly around it. And the butterfly, everything was at the dollar store actually. The butterfly was at the Dollar Tree, except for this, the ribbon. This ribbon's from Michael's, and then these flowers are from the Dollar Tree, which I added some glitter to. So everything was basically $1. And then this is a little table that I had made, a little quick DIY. The only thing I wish I would have did was made it thicker. It was really fast. I may do it over so I could make it thicker so that it would look more realistic. But it's just underneath, it's frames from the Dollar Tree, and then over top is just foam board, and then the legs are the plungers from the Dollar Tree. I just glued them in with some E6000 and hot glue, and then I wrapped them in this pretty mesh fabric, and then I just added a few little sequins, and then that's her little deodorant and her little stuff that she uses. There's toys in that. This is a toys down here, but this is a DIY that I have did that's on my channel. This little hamper, so I used that for her school storage stuff. And see up here, I just put dolls in, oh well, one doll, a doll and some stuffed animals. And then the table, I wrapped in that same fabric that I told you I got from Walmart for $3.97. I still have some left, so that was a really good deal. $3.97, and it's really nice fabric. And then the only thing is this, I should have ironed it. I may go back and try to put a towel over and iron it. And then these are little flowers. I just put that on. And then with the butterflies, I just put Mod Podge and glitter and just tape them to her wall. Now this mirror, I made this for her, but I need to get some more command strips, some really strong command strips, because I don't want it to fall. So I didn't get the command strips yet. So right now it's sitting here. But I just put flowers all down here, flowers, pearls in the middle, a butterfly up here, flowers with some pearls, and another big flower. And then I have gold, and I have I can't think of the name of the glitter, but it's like a white, but then it has like a glitter, like a white, it's like a white glitter, and I can't think of the name. I don't know if I'm thinking maybe iridescent glitter. So that's what I did with that, and then some bling wrap on the top, and 4 Dollar Tree mirrors, and the frame is from the Dollar Tree. So that's what I did with that. And this is another DIY that I did. Everything's from the Dollar Tree. Foam board. This is ribbon that I just wrapped around, and then these are flowers that I glued. It's in the back of it is a butterfly. It's like a butterfly form type of thing, and all I did was just glued the flowers to the butterfly, and then I added some glitter and some sequins to the middle, and I thought that that was really pretty, and that's how it turned out. So that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go through the room one more time. So you can see everything. These are all my updates. And this is a 6-year-old's room, so. So that's pretty much the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and become a part of the family. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.